typing Google Cloud Service. If you have already platform, so you can skip this step. Then you just press on first link and you have to then get started for free if you don't have it. And then you have to enter your email address. Usually use your Google account. If you don't have, you have to create a Google account. After registration, you're gonna end up in this Google Cloud platform. Don't take any free trials with the payment or nothing. Then what you need to do, you need to create the project. Create the project, and we're suggesting some name, but we're gonna just call YouTube, and we're then gonna press create. After you created the project, go to the search field and search for API libraries. You can see straight away here. After end up you here, you scrolling down and then you pick YouTube data IPE free. You press on here and then you press enable. And then you going and you pressing create credentials. Which API are you using? And then you picking YouTube data API free. And here you pick web servers Node.js Tomcat. And here you just pick public data. And then press what credential do you need. And here you have your own API key. Then you press done. Then after you done this, you just go onto your API key and you're doing the restrictions. Pick IP address and then pick IP restrictions restrict key and scroll down until you're gonna find YouTube data IPE service and press save it. After you done this, you have your IPE key here. You just press the signed copy